Ben here with PetraGrow, and I'd like to introduce you to the tool that makes foliar spraying a breeze, the Cannafogger. The key to this product's effectiveness lies in its microscopic droplet size of 8 microns. This essentially eliminates the issue of overspray while providing superior plant coverage. And by using significantly less solution, the Cannafogger allows you to stretch your IPM, fertilizer, or other preferred solution much further. Plus, it couldn't be easier to use. But that's not all. This device is packed with impressive specs. It boasts a 2200 milliamp Samsung original battery that can last for up to 2 hours, 3 power settings of low, medium, and high. It can hold up to 13.5 ounces or 400 milliliters of solution. With a spray range of up to 5 feet and a blue LED that can be turned on and off, this device is a truly top-of-the-line product. So if you're looking to eliminate overspray, provide better overall plant coverage, and use far less solution that saves you money in the long run, the Cannafogger is what you need to foliar spray like a pro and elevate your craft.